Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today we are making achari karela or pickle flavored bitter gourd. This is very good for diabetic. So let's start. Take a kadai or a heavy bottom pan. Take 2 teaspoons of refined oil. Spread oil all over the pan. And once oil is hot, firstly add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed is very good for joint pain and for diabetes also. Let it crackle and then add 2 teaspoons of fennel seed. Fennel seed is very good for digestion. And now add 1 teaspoon of onion seed. Let it cook for a couple of seconds and then add 200 grams of chopped onion. Mix it well. Remember, don't overcook the onion. Just for say around 30 seconds. Now add 300 grams of bitter gourd. First add approximately 100 to 150 gram and mix it. And then add rest of the bitter gourd. Mix it well. Now add salt to taste. This will increase your cooking process and mix it properly. Now put gas on low flame and cover it and leave it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, uncover and mix it well and cover it again and leave it for another 1 minute. Repeat this process for at least 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, add the dry masala. Firstly, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Now mix it properly. Mix it for around 30 seconds and then cover it on a low flame and leave it for 1 minute. And after 1 minute, your achari karela is ready to serve. You can use this karelas for 1 week.